Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I'm a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Ilya, and Ilya is 4 months old. And Ilya has developed a preference for turning his head to the right, and it looks like right side shortening, which is not typical. Usually if you have the head turned to the right, it's the left side that's shortened. In the last video, we had him placed on his belly for tummy time, and tummy time was super hard. It was still hard for him to lift up his head. So all the way down on the floor, you're fighting against gravity completely. So you really need to make it easier for him. One of the things you can do is make the floor not so horizontal to bring it up. Now the floor is hard to do, but I like to use my knees. Whoop. I use my knees to make an incline. You can also use your trunk. Whoop. And put a baby up on their elbows here. So there, and the higher up you have them, the easier it is. And the lower down you have them, the harder it is. And I would start with them fairly high up. I'm using my elbows to keep his legs in. I hear. But I would start here working on tummy time. He's having a lot of trouble with projectile vomiting. So you probably don't want to spend a lot of time at once in this position, but return to it multiple times during the day to be able to start working on that head control. Again, I'm using my hands to keep his elbows in position underneath him, otherwise his arms would go back. I hope this is an easy thing for you to learn to be able to help your child if they're having trouble holding up their head. Hope this is helpful, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.